Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Heavenly Nails It, and this is Star. Today I am going to be putting together 5 different shades of a base color that you can do at home on your own, and you just mix in some top coat, glossy clear, and your favorite shade of color, and that can be your base color. So right now I do have 5 colors picked out by lime green, lime girl, I'm sorry. And then I have some 2 polishes by Pretty Summer. So again, I would like to thank you for joining me today. So if you will find this video interesting, I would ask that you please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you will be notified when I upload new videos. So let's get started. Now that you have seen that I have picked out 3 different pinks from Lime Girl, and then I have 2 shades from Pretty Summer, and I just mixed a dab of it, or put a dab of it into some top coat, some glossy top coat, and I'm just mixing it. So what that does is just give you a sheerer color opposed to the actual color more intense. So this is what we're working with. So I have my 3 shades of pink, and I do have 2 shades of my nude or brownish color, light brown, nude, maybe a taupe, if that's what you call it, color. So this is what we have right here. So I'm going to sit in on the side, and here I have 5 swatch nails, stiletto nails. And so my first process is take my buffing block, and I'm going to buff the shine off the nails. And the reason for doing this is to prevent the polish from lifting. So even on your natural nails, acrylic nails, Tip-X nails, Gel-X nails, just to remove the shine off, and it helps with the best adhesion for the polish, and it'll prevent it from lifting. Now that I have the 5 swatch nails dust off, I'm gonna apply some dehydrator. This is optional for my swatch nails, but I am using it just for this video. So first I'm gonna take some alcohol, and I'm gonna wipe off any excess dust. And alcohol is also considered a dehydrator for your nails. So that's what I'm doing right now. And then I'll just take some dehydrator, and I will place it on the nail. And I have done that to all 5 nails. So now I'm going to go in with my first brown. It is a darker brown, nude brown. You barely can see it on the nail. And that's what we're working with so far. And I'm going to let that cure for 30 seconds. And I'm going to go in with the next brown. And you see, adding the top coat gives it a more sheer color opposed to the actual color. And I did have to remove that paper towel so you can get a better view of it. Now here's the 3rd color. This is a more dark of a blush pink color. And it's really pretty once you add the top coat, and it becomes a nice pretty shade of a sheer color. So now when I finally do my first 30-second cure and then my second coat, I am going to go in with a full 60 seconds. So this is what we have with our top coat mix and our favorite shade of gel polish color. And it's simple, easy to do at home. And there we go. Tell me what you think. If you haven't already done so, please don't forget to support me, like, subscribe, and share.